Hey guys, I back another video. I didn't show you the video how to install it, but here, right here the cat can. The cat can, one hole, to the PC valve right here. Another hole, go to the intake manifold, right here. So we will keep your engine running smoothly and clean. Okay, right here, universal cat can. Yeah, cat can, okay. Here, cat can. The output hole, go to the intake manifold. The infeed hole, see, go to the PCV valve. PCV valve right here. Here the PCV valve. Okay. You have to tie up the hole, okay? To keep the hole away from the engine here, because the engine running hot. You burn your hole. There we go, okay? Here, intake manifold. Go to the gas can right here. The output. Go to the PC valve right here. The PCV valve. You can use the three-quarter wrench to open it and just clean it up. You can use the big clean or anything, clean it up and put it back. Really easy. You just check the cover up and uncool it and put it back in. It looks really good now. Yeah. Okay guys.